The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by 1-800-GOT-JUNK. As the air grows crisp, fall invites us to cozy up and clear out. It's the perfect season to reset your space before that winter hibernation begins to set in. 1-800-GOT-JUNK is here to make fall cleaning feel less like a chore and more like a fresh start. General Manager Austin Martin is here to tell us more. Austin, what exactly is 1-800-GOT-JUNK?
So we're a full premium service junk removal company that's going to be able to come out and assist you with any removal needs that you may have. Anything from small brush piles to those big house clean outs that you may have as well.
And I'm thinking about, we're just ahead of the holidays. You might be thinking, oh, I've had some stuff pile up here and pile up here. It'd be a good idea to just clear it all out before the company comes.
Oh, absolutely. Sometimes we only look at spring cleaning, but we need to get the cleaning done before the holidays as well. We literally take anything and everything. The only couple items that we may not take is going to be motor oil, gasoline, anything that's going to be super hazardous for the environment. Anything else is fair game for us.
Really? Okay, so if someone's doing a house overhaul, they want to get rid of the carpet, for example, you guys will do that
We
too.
will do it. We'll go in there, we'll rip it up. I mean, we do everything from start to finish. All you have to do is point and we will literally remove anything for you.
Heavy furniture is what I would point at. And you guys would help. All right, is what you offer something that needs to be booked out right now, months in advance, or can you guys offer something like same-day service?
No, we actually do same-day service. We're the only junk removal company that does offer that. You can book out if you would like, just whatever day works best for you, but we do offer the same-day service. But you got to do something really quick and it's spur of the moment. We can definitely be out same day to help you out.
I know that this is a bit of a sensitive topic, but I do want to bring up a situation, sometimes people end up hoarding, I think is the term that we would use, or holding on to things that don't really have sentimental value longer than they should. Can you help in a situation like that?
Absolutely. I mean, I was actually in the trucks as well. And, when we're able to go out and help assist those, customers that maybe hold on to items a little bit too long, we go in there and we make sure that we handle, all the items with care. We take our time with that customer and, make sure that we dispose of it as, properly as we can. But we'll make sure that we handle the items with care. And then if there are any donatables, we actually donate to local charities, churches, stuff of that nature.
That is so cool. All right. How can people book with you?
So you can either book online or just give us a quick call. A super easy process on either one, just whichever one you prefer, and we'll be out there as soon as we can.
Sounds good. Thank you for your service.
No, thank you.
Go to 1-800-GOT-JUNK.com or give them a call, 1-800-468-5865 to get started today. The preceding portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by 1-800-GOT-JUNK.